Hey everyone, welcome back to Addictive Tips. In today's video, we're diving into Minecraft's brand new Vibrant Visuals update. If you've noticed your game looking a little more cinematic lately, you're not imagining it. Mojang has added stunning improvements to lighting, textures, and even how trees move. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through what's changed, how to enable the new visuals, and the best settings based on your PC setup. Let's get into it. The Vibrant Visuals update brings dynamic lighting, smoother shadows, and realistic torch flicker. Foliage now sways with the wind, adding life to the world. Textures are more detailed, water is clearer, lava glows brighter, and blocks look richer. Fog and clouds feel more atmospheric, especially at sunrise or during storms. Best of all, it's built-in, no shaders or mods needed. To enable vibrant visuals, open Minecraft, go to Settings, then Video Settings. Toggle Vibrant Visuals to on, restart the game to apply changes. If you don't see the option, make sure your game is updated and your device supports it. It's usually available on newer, shader-compatible systems. If you're using Vibrant Visuals, adjust settings based on your PC for low-end systems, lower shadows, fog, and reflections. Mid-range PCs can use medium settings for fog, lighting, and bloom. High-end systems can enable everything at max, including high-quality shadows, reflections, and full-resolution rendering. Adjust as needed for smooth gameplay and great visuals. Now let's compare Minecraft before and after Vibrant Visuals. On the left is the default game, on the right, Vibrant Visuals is turned on. Lighting is softer, trees sway in the wind, and shadows look more natural. The world feels more alive and immersive. And the best part, it's built right into the game. No downloads, no shaders, just Minecraft upgraded. And that's it for our guide to Minecraft's Vibrant Visuals update. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Addictive Tips for more Minecraft tutorials and tech guides. Tried the update? Let us know what you think in the comments. Want more tips on performance or visuals? We've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy crafting!